Hey, just doing a quick review for you on this little 1-ounce tube of white lithium grease. The company did gift this to me. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. It's 1 ounce. You're getting this little brush applicator. The thing about white lithium grease is you don't need a lot of it. A little goes a very long way, and you're going to be able to use this on so many things around the house, things that you never thought of that you probably should. I'm going to start on our kitchen drawer. Let me show you the rails here. So right inside here, there's a little roller, and I'm going to go ahead and just do one area right here. And now to apply it, all I'm going to do is just operate the drawer. Okay, we're going to run it back and forth through the little roller. All right, another great area is your refrigerator hinge. You can see under here, look, I just have a little bit on there. You don't need a lot. And that is gonna go ahead and lubricate that and protect it, keep it from squeaking, keep all the moisture off that. Another great little area is right around your locks, okay? Again, look how easy this is. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, okay? And that's gonna go ahead and work in there. Go ahead and put some here, even put some right on there because that's gonna get on the strike plate. So look at that. So that's the white lithium grease. There's so many uses for this around the house. This is heat resistant, it's waterproof. It's gonna help prevent corrosion and protect whatever you put this on. You can do thousands of little hinges and locks and whatever else you need to do with this stuff. It's gonna last a long time. So anyways, pick this up. If you need good white multi-purpose lithium grease, this is the one to get. That is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.